Aisha radiallahu anha, she says, In kunna ala Muhammad. Even though we were the family of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we used to see the moon and another moon and another moon, and there was no food in this house except for water and dates. That means 3 months. Okay guys, are we all ready to spend 3 months with only water and dates? Ready? Ready? Not a single hand. You're laughing at me. You know why? Allah only tests those whom He loves. La ilaha illallah. When He loves you, you have a test. And only a true believer understands that. When I have an examination question that is very difficult and I know the answer, I'm a true PhD holder. I have a degree higher than yours. You know why? I knew all the answers. All those exams, I aced them. That's the word. So Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he had the greatest of tests. Very difficult. When Allah loves His slave, He tests him.